everybody. So today we're back and we're doing a video in honor of my concert that's coming up. It's not my concert, it's actually Beyonce's concert. It's actually Beyonce and Jay-Z's concert, but we know we're all really just going to see Beyonce. So I'm going to the On the Run tour this Friday. You know, she usually doesn't wear a lot of makeup unless she's doing like editorial shoots, like, cause she has impeccable skin. Kind of walk you through how I would do her, I won't say run of the mill, like her staple look. So it's very clean. She's like the queen of makeup, no makeup. And she usually does one of two lips, either like a pretty neutral lip or a bold lip. If you want to see how I'm going to achieve that, then just keep watching out. This Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, I got a sample from Sephora. And I've just been using this. Call me ghetto. I don't care, but this primer is like $50. So I'm gonna use all of this sample. For our foundation today, like I said, Beyonce typically does something that's really like minimal. I've been actually using recently the Superstay Maybelline Stick Foundation. The color I have is 360 in Mocha. And I really like this. This is like a cream to powder type of feel. The reason why I chose this is because when you put it on, it doesn't look like you have like a stick foundation on. It doesn't look very heavy. It kind of like, it gives you that coverage. I'm just gonna put a little bit more right here. I had a really bad breakout right here, and I just wanna cover that a little bit more. So to conceal, I'm gonna be using the Julep Cushion Complexion. I've talked about this concealer in my favorites recently. I'm not gonna use as much as I usually do, but I like Julep products in general. I feel like if Beyonce could like go shopping like on her own, she would probably pick up some Julep stuff. But I like this concealer. This is like my everyday concealer because it's not as heavy. Like I feel like the ColourPop concealer. I'm just gonna blend this out with a damp beauty blender. I'm just gonna put a little bit more because I'm really dark like right here. So to set everything, I'm gonna use my ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder. The reason why I'm using this one is because it's a brown setting powder, so I don't have to worry about it like giving flashback and things like that. So I'm just gonna dip a powder brush. This is a Real Techniques buffing brush. Just dip that in there and I'm just gonna go under my eye. I fill my brows, so nothing different about how I'm gonna do this. I'm just using my Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. By the way, I'm done with my brows. That's all I'm doing to them. For my eyelids, I'm kind of gonna do like a little bit of a shimmery something. But I'm gonna use my Back Talk palette today. I feel like this is a very like naturally. I'm going to take the color WTF. Glossier Lid Star, and the color I have is Cub. The reason why I chose to go with this is because Beyonce actually uses this product. Alert, alert, Beyonce actually uses this product. I think the color that she was seen wearing before was Fawn. I haven't really used this Marc Jacobs palette as much as I should. This is the Frivolux one. Basically the purple one. I think I'm gonna use like this color here, this third color in. And that's it for our eyeshadow, guys. We're not gonna do really anything else because I mean, she just doesn't wear like too much heavy. Like I don't feel like I've ever seen Beyonce with like a cut crease or any of that stuff. We are gonna contour just a little bit. I'm still using my Black Radiance palette. The one I have is medium to dark. Beyonce always has like a really great glow. So we're gonna mix a couple of highlights. So I feel like we're gonna go in with Low Key, this highlight right here. I'm also gonna go in with e.l.f. Their Baked Highlight in Apricot Glow. So I feel like she always looks like she has like a healthy glow and color in her cheeks. I am going to use this Glossier blush in Haze. Okay, so this is the one thing I appreciate about Beyonce most is like you hardly ever see her in super duper noticeable eyelashes, and that just gives me hope. Like I don't have to wear crazy eyelashes to be beautiful. Thank you, Beyonce. This is CoverGirl Lash Blast. Setting powder like all over my face for right now. We're gonna go with her like bare looking lip, which I feel like Beyonce's never really wearing a bare lip. She might be, who knows? Might be just killing the game out here, no lip products on. So I'm gonna line my lips with Coco Loco very lightly. It's by H&M. It's their sheer lip color. This one is Brown Sugar, number 407. Blend it out very well. So I feel like this needs to come down. So I feel like that's look number 1 for Beyonce. She's always like super minimal but still done in some type of way. Okay, sorry about that. My camera stopped recording as usual. Ow, this is my last look, which is like, you know, when Beyonce gives us her bold lip with her sunglasses. This is it. She usually wearing like some big earrings or something that's long and dangly, but her face is still pretty simple and her lip is the focal point. You know, my favorite picture of Beyonce is with her hair up in that braided bun. She just looks like a black Nubian princess. Lined my lips with Jordana Plush Plum, and then I use ColourPop's Ultra Matte Lip and Souffle. So this is like a nice vibrant lip. You know, if you don't want to do like the typical like red or something like that, I feel like this lip will look really good on darker skin tones. So well, I mean, it does. Hello, I'm a darker skin tone. I am gonna do a blog post too, I think, about how I'm gonna be dressing for the concert. So if you haven't been over to the blog, check that out. Oh, excuse me. It's niaraalexis.com. So everything will be linked below that I use, and as usual, if you have questions, just leave a comment below, and don't forget to subscribe. Y'all, we're almost at 500 and my offer still stands. We will do a giveaway, but that's all for today, you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time.